Hey guys, this is Mama Made. I have the save coupon insert that's coming on Sunday, December the 12th, 2021. It's not very exciting, but I do want to just quickly share the coupons that are going to be inside it. I do get this insert in my mailbox a couple days before it actually comes out in the newspapers. In my area, they're not even in the newspapers anymore, so that's how I'm able to get a hold of this early. So we have $1 off of one Tylenol Cold or the Sinus, $1 off the Imodium, and $1 off the Sudafed. So this is definitely the time of year to take advantage of the sales and the coupons on medicine. Aquaphor, so we have $2 on, it's very specific, 7-ounce tube spray or baby product, 5 off of 2, same items, and $1 off of 1 on the lip. We do have until January 1st to use those. Persil coupons, $2 and $3 on the larger ones, 50-cent on Ragu coupon. Nexium, 5 off of 1 or $2 on 1. And the Eucerin coupons here. A lot of times we see Eucerin deals at CVS, 3 off of 1 cream, 2 off of 1 baby, and $1 off of 1 just pretty much any type of body lotion. And then the rest is just Family Dollar, and then just trying to get you to go print some coupons here. All right, guys, so that's it for the insert. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.